Time is incredibly powerful to turn a tiny seed into a huge tree. It makes sincere shine brighter. In a world full of challenges, WMTCNC survive on quality and grow on trust. Persist in micron-level precision. We write the epic of Made with Intelligence in China. WMTCNC was originated and grew up by the beautiful Pingtan Lake in Chizhou City. Never forget why we started. We push forward to delivering precision CNC machines to advance global industry. WMTCNC Group is a world-leading one-stop smart manufacturing solution provider, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service for industrial machine tools. We operate two core manufacturing bases. First, DAS brand specializes in R&D and production of high-precision CNC machinery. Second, brand focuses on small CNC educational equipment and traditional machinery. Trusted by customers worldwide. With 29 years in machinery and 18 years in exports. We provide 8 series covering over 300 models. Turn mill complex series. Complete turning, milling, drilling, boring, and tapping in single setup. Eliminate repositioning errors to ensure its precision. Power turret enables both radial and axial milling for higher efficiency. Vertical machining centers. High precision, rigid stability, and multi-axis capabilities. Robust structure, ideal for complex modes. Taiwan-made ATC for fast tool changes. Integrates milling, drilling, tapping, boring, and deep hole machining. Provides complex component solutions for aerospace, medical, and energy sectors. Certified with ISO 9001, CE, and 7 global standards, plus dozens of national patents. WMTCNC drive innovation annually, leading precision CNC machine development. WMTCNC offers customized OEM and ODM services with 10 to 30-day fast production. Over 20,000 units sold with 99% customer satisfaction rate.
Десятилетие WMTCNC. Good.
WMTCNC с десятилетием желаем идти вперед еще много лет.
I wish you more success for the future and brighter success and bigger and much more successful company coming out of decades.
WMTCNC is your one-stop solution provider with advanced manufacturing capabilities, delivering high-performance machines and customized solutions worldwide. Currently serving over 150 countries across Europe, Americas, and Southeast Asia.
2014年，我正式创立了 WMTCNC。10年以来，我们坚持不求做大，只求做精的理念，把机器做好，把服务做到位，铸就 WMTCNC 这个品牌力量，让它成为全球精密模具及零部件加工设备的首选制造商和服务商。
A decade of partnership, a decade of growth, a decade of innovation. From blueprint to worldwide presence, we earn global trust through excellence.